G'day everyone. What seems like a long time ago, I tried to replicate what Driven Dragons tried to do in grafting dragon fruit grown from seed onto some existing rootstock. I failed. As we can see, the graft, which was up here, is not there. I'm not one to give up, in a hurry anyway. I'm going to try again. This time I'm going to properly sterilise stuff. And I'm going to cut that one off. Peel my tape off. Now, I think the reason I failed is the one I tried to graft was probably far too small. So we'll do the same thing again. We're going to cut this off. Hopefully not cut my fingers off. We're going to take one of our much more grown dragon fruit. We're going to take him out and chop him off the base. Chop off the end like so. And we are just going to put him in the middle there and try and tape him down. So let's get our surgical tape, which is right here. And I'm going to put him smack in the middle so that he's on that centerpiece. It's not going to work yet. Let's get another piece. That seems to have got him stuck. We'll put another couple of pieces on him. And this fella will go back in the greenhouse. Enjoy life, catch you in the garden.